I'm Dr. Jonathan Flordelis, and you can call me Dr. Joff. We're talking tonight about why your knee hurts, sakit sa tuhod, and how to guide you on pain relief without surgery sana, no? So, going back, pain in the front of the knee for 20, 30 years old is different sa pain in front of the knee for patients na may edad na at posibleng meron na pong osteoarthritis, which can be considered somewhat a wear and tear disease. I'm going to show you a normal knee joint po na walang damage sa tuhod po. This is a knee that has kompleto po yung cartilage po, no? Cartilage is the blue, may meniscus sa gitna, and another cartilage sa baba. This is the thigh bone and this is the leg bone po. Knee is perfectly fine pag medyo bata pa. When you get to around 60, 70 years old, then you've had history of arthritis in your family. Tapos, that is the time when it may be more possible, hindi all the time din, no? Because there are also mga patients na wala pang arthritis kahit matanda na po. But if you do have a higher age, may mas malaking chance po na meron po kayong osteoarthritis. So I'm going to show to you that osteoarthritis, may damage na po sa cartilage sa harap, and that could also be a cause of knee pain in patients na more senior po. Again, it is not all the time na yung mga seniors may arthritis, but more chances na hindi ito dahil sa mga sports if may mga arthritis na. And one easy way to check that out is actually a plain x-ray and a physical examination. Not all the time kailangan po yung mamahalin na mga tests like the MRIs, and these are not always necessary po, ano? So, I hope you guys are getting value from this. Again, shout out sa mga arthritis warriors listening tonight. And we are also going to give a shout out to Sir Von. Sir Von, don't forget to mention sa mga comments if you're asking questions where you are from. Are you from Cebu? Are you from Bohol? Are you from Leyte? Are you from Negros or Mindanao? When you ask your questions po, may tanong po si Sir Von. And Sir Von is saying dito, good evening, Doc Joff. Same situation, akong left knee pain. Diagnosed with ACL and ACL tear last year. Muduwa ko og basketball with knee brace support. So yes, if you do have a knee injury, ligament injuries, again, pwede po yan na magkakos po ng sakit sa tuhod. If you've had ligament injuries from sports, that could be a very big cause of knee pain. But the funny thing is, hindi naman po lahat ng may ligament injuries palaging sumasakit yung tuhod. It's not all the time that when you have ligament injuries, the knee hurts all the time. When the knee is inflamed, bago pa po yung injury, sobrang sakit. After a week or two, usually if